Sunsky Dropshipping features, strengths, weaknesses. Sunsky is a B2B dropshipping and wholesale platform primarily serving the consumer electronics, accessories, and small gadget markets. Key features include a vast catalog with over 500,000 products, no minimum order quantities, worldwide shipping, and direct integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce via plugins. Their primary strength lies in offering relatively low prices compared to some other dropshipping suppliers, particularly for generic electronics and accessories sourced directly from Chinese manufacturers. This makes it appealing to dropshippers targeting budget-conscious customers. They also boast a wide selection of products not readily available elsewhere. However, Sunsky has several weaknesses. Product quality can be inconsistent, with many items being unbranded generics. This often leads to higher return rates and potential customer dissatisfaction if rigorous quality checks aren't implemented on your end. Shipping times can be lengthy, sometimes exceeding 30 days, especially for destinations outside of major markets, negating any advantage if you need fast fulfillment. Customer service is often cited as problematic, with slow response times and language barriers hindering issue resolution. This can be frustrating when dealing with order discrepancies or defective products. Moreover, while they offer integrations, the documentation and support for setting them up can be lacking, requiring some technical know-how. Sunsky is best suited for dropshippers willing to meticulously vet products, focusing on low-cost, high-volume items where profit margins can absorb potential returns and shipping delays. It's not ideal for those prioritizing premium quality, brand-name items, or rapid fulfillment. Before committing, order samples to thoroughly assess product quality and clearly communicate estimated delivery times to your customers. Implement robust tracking and customer service protocols to mitigate potential issues arising from Sunsky's shortcomings. Ultimately, Sunsky presents a viable option for certain dropshipping niches, but success hinges on careful product selection, transparent communication with customers, and proactive management of potential problems related to quality and shipping. Remember to factor in potential losses and increased customer service demands when calculating your profit margins. They are a budget option and should be approached with that in mind.